This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ghost effect in Scratch. The ghost effect allows you to control a sprite's transparency, making it appear partially or completely invisible. You can find this powerful tool within the Looks block category. It's a fantastic way to add depth and visual interest to your projects, whether you're creating games or interactive stories. Let's dive into how it works and how you can implement it effectively. To apply the ghost effect, you'll primarily use two blocks. The Set Ghost Effect to block instantly changes a sprite's transparency to a specific value, from 0 to 100. For example, setting it to 50% makes your sprite half visible. For smoother, gradual transitions, use the Change Ghost Effect by block. This block adds or subtracts from the current ghost effect, allowing for dynamic fading animations over time. The ghost effect opens up many creative possibilities for your Scratch projects. You can make sprites slowly fade in or out, simulating a character appearing or disappearing. Imagine a ghost sprite becoming visible as it approaches another object. You can also combine the ghost effect with other visual effects, such as changing a sprite's size or color, to create truly unique and engaging animations. Experiment to see what you can achieve. For best results, remember a few key tips. Always reset the ghost effect to 0% when you want your sprite to be fully visible again. When creating fading animations, incorporate weight blocks to control the speed and smoothness of the transition. Experiment with various ghost effect values, like 25 or 75%, to find the perfect level of transparency for your specific project. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.